Hey everybody, how's it going? Y'all, I got a couple boxes to open. I thought y'all might want to see what I got. As you're hopping on, say hello. Y'all, it has been a beautiful day today. And I've also got a couple things I'm going to be using on my live project tonight. Look, as you're hopping on, say hello and then hit that share button. Hit those hearts. Let's get this party started. It's no party. But I do like to see everybody on here. So let me know where you're watching from. Y'all, Locke is in the living room eating a popsicle and staring at me. And oh, look, the keyword today is collection because I got some stuff to show you. Hey, Anita and Tammy. Did y'all have an awesome day? I hope so. Anyway, I got my ReFabbed. I love subscription boxes. And you listen, y'all tell me if you do too. They are so much fun. Actually, I love that one because you never know what's in there. But I always know there's going to be earrings and a t-shirt. And you know I love that kind of stuff. Do any of y'all get subscription boxes other than my Club Couture? I know a lot of y'all get that. Hey, 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 you've been straightening up your craft room? I need to do that. In fact, I am going to work on something, a little something. Did I already tell y'all the keywords collection? Okay. Well, let me get back over here so I can see what y'all are saying. Hey, Kim. Hey, Christy. Y'all, my name's Debbie, Refresh Restyle. I'm coming to you live from the kitchen in Tennessee. Let's go ahead. I'm going to open up the ReFabbed box first. And then before we close out, we will, I'll show you this stuff again because I know some people are just hopping on. 90 degrees in Arizona. Lovely. Okay. Y'all, Brooke always puts this little description, and it says, exclusive graphic tee, garden flag with stand, dish towel, and bow earrings. So she always lets you know right when you open it what's in there. And y'all, I always keep this packing material. And especially this time of year where you can put it in Easter baskets. Okay. Oh my goodness, already. Ooh, oh my goodness. Look at this little sign. I'm going to take it out of the plastic so you can see. And like I said, I'll lay all this to the side. This is so cute. Isn't that pretty? This would be pretty on your desk or somewhere in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love this t-shirt. I think I'll move this out of the way. This bow is gorgeous. Now, Brooke designs all of the t-shirts. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? It's like a light pink. It's hard to tell with my my lighting in here. Hey, Janet from Spanish Fort. Anyway, this is called the bow t-shirt. And y'all know bows are like super popular. I think my coloring's a little off. Okay. And what was this? A dish towel? Yes. Look how pretty that is. Like 99% of the time, she color coordinates everything. I do too. I've seriously been, oh my gosh, look at these. I love these. I may use this exclusive. One for my car and one for the coffee bar. Kathy, all you got to do is type the word, oh my gosh, what word was it? Here, you don't remember the word, Locke? Use that right there to wipe your mouth off. Locke's been eating it. It's called, collection is the word. But look how pretty these are. And I love this microfiber. Hey, Sabrina, where you been, girl? And then it also comes with And like I said, I'll show you these again. These bow earrings, and they're going to look so cute with the t-shirt or with anything. They look a little fancy, but aren't they cute? Y'all know I love earrings. Lockie, you want to say hey?
Hey.
Scoot over so they can see you, baby.
Hey.
I picked Locke up from school today, and I think he's got his first soccer practice. We got to check with Mommy. We've got so many new collections on the chalk. Yes. Oh, y'all, I told you it was coordinated. See the bow? So this coordinates with this, coordinates with this, color coordinates with this, and then the stinking cute bow t-shirt. And that flag, there's a stand with it too. Okay, now let's see what's in our other box. I'm just gonna put my trash right there, Locke. I've seriously been thinking about some kind of box, a refresh, restyle box with crafty goodness in it. Okay. Oh my goodness, y'all. I thought this was my, Tiffany collection, but it is my Peanuts collection, which is fine. I'll show you these. And I also got some different colored inks because I was low on ink. And aren't those like the perfect peanut colors? Cute, cute, cute. All right, let me show you these, the Peanuts collection. Whoops, sorry, Locke. You like that? Locke likes that, pop that bubble wrap.
Yeah, I use a pin to do it.
Oh, well, you better go outside. I don't want to hear any popping in here. And you guys, I don't know if you have seen that we are doing a collaboration with Peanuts. And this is one of my favorite, Positive Vibes. And then I put Grouchy Since Forever on a red t-shirt. And then these stinking cute minis look good on everything, including like trucker hats. And then we have, do you guys remember 90210 and Saved by the Bell? Tiffany Thiessen. We have a whole collection of her modern farmhouse look that I have done a couple of projects with. So if you type collections, you're going to get a link to all the new stuff, which includes the Peanuts collection, the Tiffany collection, and then all the new spring stuff. And tonight, I'm going to be, these are new too. These are surfaces. They are bamboo decorative bunny cutting boards. So I'm going to be using these in a project tonight, later on. I hope you guys can join me. Hey, Diane. And if you missed the beginning, you can type the word collection. Just making sure. Sometimes I say the wrong word. And it looks like it's working. Collection. And I put a link to ReFabbed, the ReFabulous box. And this is what's in there this month. It's always something new and different. Sometimes there's like totes. She's done beach towels. She always has earrings. Oh, you have a beagle? That's so sweet. And then this beautiful yard flag. It comes with a stand. And then this beautiful t-shirt with this, it's called the bow t-shirt. And y'all tell me if y'all been seeing bows everywhere. I have. All right, guys, I will be back later. And like I said, if you want the links, type the word collection. And be sure to join me later tonight with those bunny, they're called decorative bunny cutting boards. All right. Have a great afternoon. It's so good to see everybody. I love seeing your little names popping up here. Be sure to always give me some hearts and sprinkle the love. And y'all, whenever people type fast and then I respond fast, it says comments are removed, but they're really not. So don't worry about that. You should get your message from me if you typed collections. So just ignore that where it says things are being removed, because Facebook loves us and loves just like doing all kinds of crazy stuff. All right, y'all. Tell them bye.
Bye.
See y'all later.
Okay.